in Manila Zoo, which is one of the country's local zoo, of course.
Look,
As
guys,
you can see.
for Pokemon fans, Voltorb and Ghastly.
Yeah. Is the hippopotamus.
And also traded
What a
Look who he pulls.
Dum dum. It's a shark. It's not the hippo. It's a shark. Dum 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 dum. So that the Nigu will eat them. Oh no. It's a big Russian crocodile. No, it's a local crocodile. But it's big. It's big crocodile. Is it big?
Yeah.
Where's the crocodile?
There.
It's big crocodile. Tara. Mahulog yun, mami. Kukunin ni Kuya. It's Hebra.
A horse zebra.
A crossbreed of horse and zebra.
There's some more over there. Well, this one's just here.
Wala. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool?
Oh, that one's zebra. I haven't seen zebra. Oh my.
See that sign? Bawal pumasok means do not enter. Why?
Hey, do you want to see a monkey? Or is that a monkey?
Takot si Yana, oh. Yung banana siya,
Look, they're eating banana. Patay ka. Inaabang ka.
Ano yan? Ay, pangalan yan?
Pia.
Yeah! Yeah! Akilala?
O daw. Oh. O daw.
Kilala ka niyan?
Sila lagi ng
Amoy. Ikaw nga, Matt.
Totoo. Tara, tara. Di ba dyan dati yung orang gotaga mo? May malaking unggoy dati dyan. Matay.
Nakakita kasi mga pagkain.
Dapat tayo doon saan.
Bar. There's a big fish and some turtles.
Wala. Sabi na, here comes food.
Hindi nagsishake yung tail niya, hindi magpapawis.
Hindi nagwawa na tubig.
Yung gumagano. Kung gumagano, magpapawis ka siya.
Ayelo na lang.
Oh, that's my husband. Sabi niya. Oh, that's my husband.
Kung hindi ako gagalaw, may negro.